Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to split cells in Excel diagonally. Okay, so if you want to split your cell diagonally, in this video you will learn how to do it. Here you will see I have one column is year mentioned. Okay, here you will see 2021, 22 and 23, and here in one row here you will see product mentioned chair, table, laptop and almirah. Okay, now I want to divide this or split this cell into two parts so I can mention year and product. Okay, so I have to split this cell in diagonally. So how to split this cell in diagonally, this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the cell, then right click here. Okay, then go to format cell option, then here you will see many options. Okay, in the border you will see many options. Now I want to split my cell like this. Okay, so then what you have to do, you have to click on OK. Now you will see this cell is divided or splits. Okay, so now what you have to do, I am going to mention year. Okay, then if you are using uh, Windows, you have to press Control plus Alt plus enter. Okay, and if you are using MacBook, you have to press Option plus enter. Then you have to write other name. Okay, product, then move a little bit here. Okay, now you will see like this you can split diagonally in Excel. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.